Oh man, y'all know where we at, man. The Salvage yard, place you live at sometimes, you know. When if you gotta at least come here once a week, man. Once a week here at the Salvage yard. I always need some new parts. What road did I say? What did I say, like 106 or something like that? I think yeah, let me go. Let me look on my phone, see what road we on. My bad, I didn't mean to drop that, but I'm getting a bumper, so bumper's the same. That's a 06, 04. I'm looking for 05, so you're right in the middle. You know, pick up the headlight, match it up. Yep. Looks like we're in the game. We set that down there for somebody, make somebody's job easier. You know, they ain't gotta do the hard work. We already did it for them. You can just come out there on the ground and pick up this headlight. Need this grill right here. Oh, man. Hey man, you never walk in the salvage yard, man. It's a little cold today though. As y'all guys see, we get that ever-changing weather. But walk the salvage yard, man. And walking the salvage yard doesn't necessarily always save you money. Sometimes, but not all the time, because sometimes you spend so much time out here, you know, and like they say, time is money. So sometimes you end up spending too much time out here, and then a lot of times you can spend, and then you know you come out here. See the difference between pull-aparts and LKQ is, at LKQ they at least show you pictures of what they got in the color, so you know. At pull-aparts, you ain't got no pictures. All you got is the year and the make. You don't know what color it is, so you can just go out there and you know you really want to find something the same color, but you end up don't even find nothing the same color. Look at that, y'all see? Walking around, look at that. Walking around, walking backwards. Look at that. All these cars in here, man. All these cars came from somewhere. All these cars got a story. All these cars was owned by somebody, you know. And now they all here. And you know, they all here for some reason, you know. And then the good thing is, one thing about going to the salvage yard that one thing when you go to the salvage yard I always try to notice is that look at any car that's in there a lot. Like if you see, that's my thing. If I see a car that's in the salvage yard, like a ton of them, like PT Cruisers, Chryslers, and like the older Cavaliers and stuff like that, I stay away from them. I see a lot of Trailblazers in here too as well, honestly. That's what I'm actually looking for. But if you see a car in here so often, don't go about buying that car. That's all I got. That's the main information, you know. Like, walk your local salvage yard. If you want to know what's not a good car, just walk your local salvage yard. You'll see a ton of those things, and you'll be like, "Dang, why is it be looking at it like, why is there so many cars in here? Like the Ford Tauruses, like those 90 miles in Tauruses, not good. You'll see a ton of those things in here. So that's what I give you guys. Just walk your local salvage yard, see what cars in there a lot, and then you'll know to stay away from those cars when next time you're at the auction bidding. So let's keep walking. Look at that. Cloudy skies. They said it's supposed to probably rain today. It sucks. But yeah, look at that. A lot of cars in the salvage yard. A lot of cars are here because they're bad cars too. And a lot of cars are here because people don't take care of their cars, you know. People don't take them to go get the normal service maintenance, you know. Especially like when you be seeing like these Buicks in here, I be like, man, Buicks is like great, like this. Buicks is like great cars, man. Buicks is like the old people cars, well taken care of and last a long time. When you see a Buick in a salvage yard, I be like, man, how y'all killed a Buick? You know, it's crazy. Man, people don't do the normal maintenance on their cars, man. They just drive them and drive them and drive them and drive them. You know, it doesn't take much to keep your oil change routine. You know, just you gotta get your oil properly. Get your oil changed. What they suggest, like every three months or every certain many thousand miles. Like they say, get your oil changed every couple months, certain many thousand miles. Like if you're working, let's say I say you don't even gotta go get no expensive oil change, man. Y'all can just go get y'all a little cheap oil change, man, from like one of them little shops that do oil changes for like $25. Just say the oil change costs like $40. You know, if you take $10 out of each of your pays, or at least I would honestly. I know people, you know, money. You working and you gotta make all the money stuff count, but you gotta put some money to the side for maintenance. You know, my suggestions, at least, you know, try to at least put you $20-$30 away for car maintenance. Just each paycheck, you know, you get paid every 2 weeks. You know, put your $20-$30 away. You know, man, you know that. You know, you did just because you never know. These are cars. Cars, you know, the more you drive them, the more likely something's going to go wrong. And the more times if you're not driving, if the car is just sitting, it's more likely something just going to go wrong. So you can't really win with cars. You know, the more you drive them, something's going to go wrong. The least you drive them, something goes wrong. So I would always just suggest, you know, if you're working, you know, $20-$30, put that away just for car maintenance. You know, keep that always, because you never know. Have a tire blowout, alternator, battery. You know, keep your oil changed. You know, keep your fluids and stuff checked. You know, all that, spark plugs and everything. So then you don't put yourself in a bad situation, because you already got money basically a just in case fund. You know, people buy used cars and just think like the used car is gonna last them, you know, 3 years and years with no problem. But they're used cars, and a lot of times you don't know how many times it was used before you got it. You don't. A lot of times, people don't know how many owners that the car had before they had it, or how it doesn't. But a lot of times it doesn't really even matter how many owners that the car had, because you know it could have had one really bad owner, then it could have had one really good owner, or it could have had 2 good owners. You just never know these things. Or you know, it could have just had 3 really bad owners. Yeah, I'm walking around in circles. I'm trying to find Trailblazer, but I'm trying to find a grill, but it looks like all the ones that I'm finding looks like this. You know, all the Trailblazers that I'm finding looks like this. No grills. I'm trying to find that little grill, the grill on a Trailblazer that goes from like there to there. I wonder what a Envoy grill fit. I'm not 100% sure. They probably won't. Probably something different. Let's see. Nope, it looks like everyone, they stripped the face off of them, so I guess that's a popular item that goes bad or people needs. It's getting colder. My hands is getting cold. Walking a salvage yard, kind of like walking Pullapart. Walking a salvage yard, kind of like walking Pullapart, really. You know, something like it. Jesus. So this is how some of Pullapart cars is. Some of these cars are not running. Some of these cars be having great body too. They just don't run, you know. Motor, engine. Car just been sitting there a long time. You know, like this build, pretty clean. Somebody took the back bumper off of there, but look at the overall build, pretty clean. You know, it's probably in here, motor, transmission, something. But it's just like Pullapart, isn't there? They're in Pullapart for some reason. They're in here for some reason. So that's why I always be seeing like those people that be trying to buy people's cars before they go to the salvage yard. That's a good thing too. Like before you scrap your vehicles, you know, if you're working on cars, just call these people, call around, see if people trying to junk their car, just try to get a hold of them beforehand. You know, if you know how to work on cars. Let's see. Did we get lucky? Trailblazer. And no, we didn't. We've been walking around here, hands freezing, looking like the sun trying to do his best to come out for us. Let's keep walking. Let's keep walking. Woo. Look at all these cars in here, man. I seen a lot of Monte Carlos in here, man. No, people be dogging those Monte Carlos out. Main thing with those Monte Carlos is transmission. They don't. The transmission problem is the main thing with those. You got a lot of these old Cobalts too. I knew a Cobalts too, man. People just be. Then you got all those other cars back there, but we ain't going back there today. Let's go. What road was I on? I was on one of these roads. Let me. All these Fords over here, the whole Ford section over here. A lot of Mustangs in there. Mainly, people wreck the Mustang. That's mainly why these Mustangs in here. They just wrecking those. People be really smashing those V6s, man. Dogging it. Turn the whole motor out the V6, man. It's a V6, man. Quit doing all that. Quit putting all that wear and tear on your V6, man. Look at that. Most of these Mustangs in here, V6s. Man, come on, man. Quit doing that to y'all cars, man. Y'all got a V6. Just drive your V6 like a normal car. It's a V6, man. It's nothing special. Just a regular car. It's a V6. Or 2-door 4 tours. That's what people driving a Mustang. Y'all got a 2-door 4 tours. Sorry if you get drive a Mustang, man. If you drive a V6 Mustang, you got a 2-door 4 tours, man. Quit driving your 4 tours like that, man. But yeah, man, still walk around here, man. About to grab this bumper, grab a girl off this other car, get some of these cars ready, make some money like we always gonna do. Always making money. Man, you gotta be making money. You gotta always be progressing too, you know. Always try to progress every day, you know. Progression. Each day, progress a little bit. You know, if you're not progressing, you're either standing still or you're regressing. You don't want to be standing still and you don't want to be regressing. So work every day to try to just progress a little bit, just a little bit. You don't have to go from here to here or there to there, you know. Just progress a little bit. That's all you need. Just a little bit of progression, you know. Just a little bit, you know. Man, if you know, just you know, if you're trying to eat better, you know, just start by eating something, incorporating something a little bit better in your day, you know, just something every day. You know, try to progress just a little bit. You don't have to progress at a big jump, just a little bit a day, and then it's all gonna come together, and then you're gonna progress a lot, and you're gonna be like, man, dang, I came a long way. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm out. Peace.